It's Thanksgiving. Look at that turkey.
I know, as soon as this mashed potatoes get done.
Now we got some sweet potatoes, some greens that I don't eat. Got some bomb mac and cheese. Look at that. Mac and cheese. Got some dressing. Look at that. And I made green bean casserole. So we about to grub. I think we got some sweet potato pies. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Turkey Day.
Happy Turkey Day. Look at that turkey. Yeah, we demolished this food. It was so good. That's the rest of the turkey.
Whatever she making, it looks good.
Demolished this food. Still got a whole bunch of greens though, but everybody gonna probably get some seconds or something. That was fire. Yeah, casserole. So this is after the fact. So we demolished that food. Hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving. And I will see y'all later. Just got at the beach.
Okay.
I'm gonna get in the water this time. So what's up?
What's up?
My sister, my niece.
Hi.
Beach. It ain't that packed. I expect it to be a little more, but that's cool.